Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix network problems on any Oppo phone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just use the SIM card ejection tool of your smartphone and insert it in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your smartphone. Now just remove the SIM card tray from your smartphone and take out the SIM card and insert it back in. Then insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on System and Update. From here, tap on Backup and Reset, then select Reset Phone. And from this menu, just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Then select Reset. Now, this will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings of your smartphone. After you do that, then go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button of your smartphone. Now, if the power button of your smartphone is mapped to launch Google Assistant instead of the power menu, then press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And once you see the power menu, just swipe up and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix network problems on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.